Hey, what's up everyone? This is Baljeet from JK. Welcome on my channel. In this video, we are going to replace left far front hood 2007 Audi A4 4-cylinder 4-door. I've been struggling for a long time with this left. Anytime I have to work under, I have to put a stick underneath or I have to hold it by hand. But when I try to search, I realize that cylinder, the left is not that expensive. So I want to change it because this one is only cost for $16 to $20. So because my left not working, so anytime I have to work with this car, I have to put stick like that, and it's not safe. If you hit or something, this hood gonna fall on you, and this is heavy. It can hurt you. So I start searching online, and I realize it's not expensive. It's under $20. So I bought it from Amazon about for $18. I will also leave a link in description so you can buy from the link if you're looking for right exact match, because I also see people struggling when they're changing. This is hard, you have to lift, because they're on probably a right side. So you have to buy right side. There's multiple choice. You can go online, they say it's matching to your car, but it's not. So now we are going to change. To remove this cylinder, you need something. You need a needle nose plier. You need this kind of screwdriver, a flathead. You just put it here and do like that. So this will come off. Same thing we're gonna do the underneath. It's really easy. When you have to remove, you have to follow this technique. You can see this cylinder have no power. For installation, you don't need any tool. I'm gonna put camera far so we can see. This one already pre-packaged in this one. I have to cut it, see what we get inside. So here we go, we're gonna install. When you are installing, you have to be fully open your hood. So first, to install, you can see there's a clip already. We don't have to move anything. We have just a hole. We're gonna just put it against it and just push it. So it will lock it. I'm gonna put first at the bottom. Here we go, lock it. Now the time to go up, pick a little bit hood accordingly. That's it. That's all you have to do. Now you're happy to use. Easy life. That's all you have to do. That's the way you can replace front hood left on your Audi. No more stick or nothing. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in next video with a new topic.